Hey guys, how you doing? It's Tom, Little Loft on the Hill. It's Wednesday, the 22nd, I believe. We've got some new birds for the loft. They were shipped yesterday. These are from MAYDIS Loft, so we're excited to have them. The other birds are doing great. I've been working them through the trap, putting them in the settling cage the first few days, letting them get used to coming in and out through the door. As you can see behind me, they can come in and out on that settling cage all day. So they can kind of learn how to get in and out. I have started working them up the ramp. I can do it without the tunnel, maybe this afternoon or tomorrow, depending kind of on the weather. It's a little windy and stuff, but yeah, I mean, the birds look great. I've got some footage of that you'll be seeing shortly. We'll go ahead and open up the box and take a look at Silvio's birds. I think I'm gonna put green snap bands on his. What else can I tell you? Stay tuned, this should be fun. Take care. All right, first bird for MAYDIS Loft. Healthy looking black. MAYDIS 107 is this bird. Good looking bird. I'm going to go ahead and put green snap band on him. And he's going up on the settling cage with the other birds. All right, second bird. Blue bar. Good looking bird. MAYDIS 115. Again, I'm going to put a green snap band. And he did send pedigrees, so I'll take a look at them, and maybe we'll do a video on that later. But I've got to get to work. All right, so his two are the ones with the green snap bands. This blue bar right here. And then the black right behind. And they were just in the box overnight, so we're looking at those two on top of the feeder right there. are the two birds from MAYDIS. Hey guys, how you doing? It's Tom, the Loft on the Hill. We're starting to get some bad weather, and it's supposed to rain for I don't know, like 4 or 5 days. So it's just starting to sprinkle now. I've got the birds real quick this afternoon. We're going to run them through one more time, and I don't know if I'll be able to in the next few days. So we'll see what happens. So those are our two new birds. They don't really know what's going on yet, but they'll figure it out. Then they're going into food. So I have the trap closed.